I think hands down, my mom's Claypot Chicken Rice is better. Today I've got something that's very, very special for all of you. Mom's back. Here she is.
Hello, hi.
Welcome back, Mom.
Thank you. I'm glad that you called me in again.
Yeah, of course.
For my little simple cooking experience again.
You keep asking me, where's Mom, where's Mom? We miss Mom, we miss Mom. So, guys, this is for you. Alright, so what are we making today, Mom?
Today I'll be making a Claypot Chicken Rice with the leftover rice. Because when you talk about leftover rice, people always think about fried rice.
So this is where you get to see Mom's cooking and my cooking, because you've seen me make so-called Claypot Chicken Rice. I made Claypot Chicken Rice but in a pressure cooker, which turned out alright. I mean, the taste was nice, but because it was in a pressure cooker, so you know, the rice was a little bit wet. And some of you guys have told me, why didn't you just go out and get a clay pot? Yeah, I should have done that. So Mom is going to serve me this dish.
First of all, SHERSON, can you help me to cut up the chicken drumstick?
Okay.
We will probably need 2 of them. Any part, but preferably the chicken to be cut as small as you can, because we are going to cook the chicken with the clay pot.
The reason why my mom hasn't been on cooking together with me for a long time is because Mom now lives in
Ghana, Africa. So now I'm going to marinate the chicken. So we need some soya sauce, bit of oyster sauce, squeeze the mushroom and slice it.
Do you still want to keep the water?
Okay, we can use it.
Use the water, right?
Bit of white pepper, bit of sesame oil.
You look at that. That's how I used to learn from my mom how to cook. You see, his hands are non-stop going and writing down notes of the recipe. Anyway.
We need a bit of cornstarch, ginger. Okay, a simple marination.
Put the mushrooms together with the chicken. So how long do we need to keep this marinated for?
10-15 minutes.
10-15 minutes.
So let's prepare a sauce for the rice. Some dark sauce, bawang goreng, and a bit of the oil. We put some kombucha here, yeah?
This thing is stuck.
One eternity later.
Wait, I think the sauce not enough. Ginger juice, grated.
Do you want to add some water in here to...
No lah.
No? So squeeze it in straight, huh?
Okay, I think it's good. Yeah, yeah. Some sugar. A little bit of salt.
So this is the sauce for the rice. Okay, Mom, so we've got all our ingredients prepped ready. What were you doing?
So now I'm going to put in the mushroom water or any stock water.
It's like, Mom, you can just say, Mom, you could
My foot, oh my god.
just say, just get the rice.
Okay, then put it back. We start from there.
You've already taken it.
So I'm going to put the leftover rice from the fridge.
So you want to use leftover rice because the leftover rice has dried up by being in the fridge. So that way when you add a little bit of water to it, it rehydrates the rice and it gets it nice and fluffy again. If you're using fresh rice, you're probably going to end up with something that's very, very mushy. How is there a hole in that?
This is actually for stewing, so there's a hole here. But here, in this case, I want to tangkap itu steam semua. Ini tutup, steam tak boleh lari. So now this rice has been inside the pot for 10 minutes. One tip is I go by listening, is you can hear the sizzling. You can know the steam is quite built up. We can open.
Oh, there we go.
And put in the sauce now.
But I thought the sauce goes in normally after the chicken.
If you put in the chicken first, then you double marinate the chicken.
I see.
Too salty. Close it. Capture every steam that you can to cook the chicken. At this time, because bottom is evaporated, air dia sudah menyejatkan. Wah, saya punya Malay boleh tahan.
Amboy.
So we can drizzle some oil.
So that the oil gets to the bottom of the pot as fast as possible.
I hope masuk lah.
Okay, then Mom just says, I hope it works. Is this something you've tried before or no?
Yeah.
Please, chicken!
You've tried before?
I hope the oil masuk lah, you know.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Actually, this is not the actual cover for the...
It's okay.
I tell you to buy a clay pot for me, your mother, but you...
So excited! I don't know.
Now kids, if your mom said buy a clay pot, go freaking get a clay pot.
So this one will probably take another 10 minutes.
Alright, so now we've got some salted fish here, right, Mom?
Yes.
So we're putting salted fish in, a little bit of oil.
I've actually off the flame, and now it has been 15 minutes. I'm going to open. So you can see the chicken is properly cooked through.
Alright, now the salted fish goes in, yeah, Mom?
Okay.
Ooh, look at that. Nice.
But if you like to have kerak, you can leave it a little longer. Yeah.
Okay, some spring onion. There you go, guys. This is Mom's leftover rice, Claypot Chicken Rice. First of all, I must say the smell is delicious. I think it's a huge difference when you cook it actually in the clay pot versus a pressure cooker, obviously, right?
I think the texture is still okay. It's not mushy, eh?
The flavor of the chicken is really nice and flavorful, I think, because we cut it into small pieces, so it absorbs the sauce, the marinade a lot better. You don't have to marinate it for a very long time.
The mushroom has a good texture too.
And the rice, I'm surprised at how even using leftover rice and introducing more liquid to it and cooking it this way, it's still nice and firm.
Yeah.
I think hands down, my mom's Claypot Chicken Rice is better.
Trying to make my day lah. Yeah, thank you lah, my son. So sweet.
If you agree with me, mom's Claypot Chicken Rice is the bomb. Let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next week. Ciao guys. Bye.